Deep in the African wilderness, every new day begins with a purpose. For the Hadzabe tribe, survival depends on skills passed down through countless generations. Long before sunrise fully lights the landscape, hunters prepare to leave camp in search of food. Today, we follow their journey as they track animals, gather resources, and prepare a traditional meal using ancient knowledge of the wild. The hunters move quietly across the dry grasslands, carefully studying the ground beneath their feet. Every footprint, broken branch, and disturbed patch of soil provides valuable information. Years of experience allow them to read signs that many outsiders would completely miss. Hunting here is not about speed. It is about patience, observation, and understanding the natural world. As the group travels farther from camp, the morning air remains cool, making the long journey easier. The search continues deeper into the wilderness. Fresh tracks suggest that animals have recently passed through the area. The hunters remain alert. They communicate quietly and move carefully to avoid making unnecessary noise. For the Hadzabe people, every hunting trip is also a lesson. Younger members learn how to identify tracks, recognize animal behavior, and understand the environment around them. These skills are essential for survival and have been preserved for generations. Hours of persistence finally begin to pay off. The signs become clearer, and the hunters gain confidence that their efforts will be rewarded. Success in the wild rarely comes quickly. It often requires long walks, careful observation, and a willingness to adapt to changing conditions. When food is finally secured, there is no loud celebration. Instead, there is quiet satisfaction and appreciation for what nature has provided. The journey is not over yet. As the group heads back toward camp, they continue searching for other useful foods found in the environment. Small opportunities are never ignored. The Hadzabe understand that survival depends on making full use of every available resource. Along the way, wildlife appears briefly before disappearing once again into the vast landscape. After many hours away, the hunters finally return to camp. Family members gather around as preparations begin immediately. Some people collect firewood, while others organize and prepare the food. Everyone contributes in one way or another. Teamwork remains one of the most important parts of daily life. Soon, a cooking fire is burning steadily. The Hadzabe have a deep understanding of how different types of wood burn. Some create strong heat quickly, while others produce long-lasting coals perfect for slow cooking. These simple but important skills help ensure that food cooks properly without being wasted. Every action around the fire reflects knowledge developed through years of experience. Smoke slowly rises into the air as the food begins to cook. People carefully monitor the heat and regularly turn the food to ensure even cooking. There are no modern kitchens here, yet the cooking process is remarkably effective. Traditional methods continue to provide everything needed to prepare a satisfying meal after a long day in the wilderness. As the aroma spreads through the camp, everyone eagerly waits for the meal to be ready. Once finished, portions are shared among family members. For the Hadzabe, food represents much more than nourishment. It reflects the hard work, patience, and cooperation that made the meal possible. Every bite carries the story of the day's journey. While eating, people continue talking, laughing, and helping one another. The atmosphere becomes relaxed after many hours of effort. Older members pass on valuable lessons, while younger generations observe and learn. These daily moments help preserve traditions that have survived for centuries. As the day slowly comes to an end, the camp grows quieter. The hunters have completed another successful journey, providing food and strengthening the bonds of their community. Life in the wilderness teaches patience, resilience, and respect for nature. For the Hadzabe tribe, survival is not simply about finding food, it is about maintaining a connection to the land, protecting traditional knowledge, and working together as one community. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the ancient survival life of the Hadzabe tribe. If you enjoyed this experience, leave a comment below and tell us what part of this traditional lifestyle impressed you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more adventures in the wild.